Hi again. I tried to make some more carbon, but it failed. I didn't quite get the carbon. I only had 3 hours of burning. Well, actually, I wanted to make some charcoal. So, instead of going to charcoal, I thought I'd convert the charcoal furnace made out of plaster and beach sand. It was around about that thick. It sort of deteriorates, but it's stabilised now. Still holds the heat. You can get up to 1200 in there. You can melt the steel. And for the gas burner, we have a shadows. Okay, it's a 200mm piece of pipe, and the diameter is 25. I have a series of holes drilled into the end. The end cap here goes on the end. That's just a heat nozzle. It's a bit of galvo, but we don't get past 100 degrees on this bit. This piece here goes up to 200. Have a valve, a connector to connect the gas on. I found this 3/8 to quarter fitting in my box, and a down in there there's an oxyacetylene tip that happens to screw into the quarter. The oxy tip had a too large a hole in it, so I put a MIG welder, a 0.9mm MIG welder tip. That all screws in. Runs on 5 psi of gas. I ran it yesterday on 5 psi for 2 hours and created my carbons. This piece is a choke piece. Goes over the holes. You can limit the amount of air and cut the torch down. Okay, I'll just put it together and show you what it's like. Okay, that's it put together. If you decide to build one, make sure you get a gas regulator which is adjustable, and make sure your blue part of the flame is out here. Alright, I'll hook it up to the furnace and I'll show you it burning. Won't be long. Okay, I just fired it up. You can't really see the flame. I've got it set on about 5 psi. Doesn't go through much gas. 2 hours of burning, and that's still pretty full from yesterday. I'll show you the choke. You'll have to listen to it. Choke works. We can choke it right down. It's only been burning for about 2 minutes. I've got a new toy, a heat probe. It's already at 300. Well, poke it in there and pull the trigger. Yep, 290 already. And what I'm going to do with it today is going to make some lemon carbon, or try to. I have some banana in that tin, some more sugar, and bicarbonate soda mix in this tin, and I'm going to try some bread. Alright, I'll get all the carbons in the tins and stick it in there, and we'll burn it for about 3 hours today, around about 700 degrees. Alright, I'll be back.